Nagsisimula ng maghanda si Pinay tennis star Alex Ayala para sa mga sasalihang tournament tulad ng Asian Games. For the meantime, nag-share si Alex ng life niya outside tennis. Balitang hatid ni Oscar Oida.
One thing I've learned about myself is how to control my emotions and how I can dictate my emotions rather than let my emotions dictate me.
Hanggang sa pagharap sa Philippine media, bit-bit ng Pinay tennis sensation ang maturity ipinamalas niya sa mundo matapos ang tennis grass season lalo sa Wimbledon. Ngayong taon ay pinatunayang kaya niyang ituloy ang magical run na sinimulan sa Miami Open noong 2025 nang dagdagan pa ang listahan ng mga top 10 players na kaya niyang talunin. Bunga niyan ang ngayon iconic horizontal forehand ni Ayala kung saan kahit nadapa ay pilit niyang inunat ang braso, pinalo ang bola at naipasok sa kabila ng net.
And I'm so grateful because it was a hard shot to do, and when I saw the photo afterwards, wow, parang ginawa ko yun.
Para kay Alex, mas mahalagang kilala mo ang sarili mo kaysa malulong sa ingay ng kasikatan.
It's not an easy life, I think. We definitely go through our hardships, and maybe a misconception, okay, that's popping into my head is that I've heard, I don't know if this is true, people say that tennis players can be self-centered. I don't think that's true. Every time I come home, I'm very, very happy.
Ang tanong, may buhay pa ba siya outside tennis?
Yes, I have a life outside of tennis. I love to go out with them when our schedules align. I love to try new places. When I'm traveling a lot, I love to try the food. It's difficult to have hobbies that are like other sports or physically demanding because I do give everything that I have into the sport that I'm in.
Ang love life, meron ba?
I love my family. I love so much. I love my family. I love my job. I love my friends. I love myself. So there is so much love.
Sa ngayon, naghahanda na muli si Alex sa iba't ibang sasabakang international tennis tournament, kabilang ang Asian Games. Oscar Oida, nagbabalita para sa GMA News.